Good morning and welcome back to my lunch videos. I've decided I'm gonna do lunch videos again. My son he's going away for outdoor school, which is 3 days, so I will only be making lunch for my first grader. I cannot believe Maddie is in first grade, but she's having a lemonade, strawberry, country time, some crackers, some cheese, some turkey, this is turkey pepperoni. She's having some, those are raisins, strawberries. What are those things called? Blueberries. And then she will have one of these. She loves these. They have the boba inside and fruit. So that's what she will be having for lunch. I will check back in after school to see what she ate. Bye guys. Okay guys, so it's after school. She had aftercare, but she didn't eat that. I usually pack her enough for aftercare, but she didn't eat her snack for aftercare. And then if this Yum box would open, so she ate everything. She says she likes Lunchables. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I forgot to let you guys know I do pack her a water bottle, and she refills it at school, so she has a little bit in there. Good morning guys, today is Tuesday and I'm only fixing lunch for just Madison. Jackson's still away at outdoor school, so she's getting some, these are pretzel bite with peanut butter. This one, I get the big tub from pretzel nuggets. I get the big tub from Walmart. And then she's gonna have a Capri Sun. I always have Capri Sun. Yesterday I did something new. And then she's gonna have an applesauce. She loves the mixed berry one. And then she's having blueberries, strawberries. I didn't cut the strawberry because I didn't want, this is not leak proof, so I didn't want the juices flowing all over the place. So I didn't cut it. Hopefully she can maneuver that. I have some I have some cheese right here. I asked her if she wanted another one and she said no, just one. She has some turkey pepperoni, some turkey, and her crackers, and that's gonna be her lunch for today. She's in the first grade, right? She's not feeling good today. So I'll see you guys after school to see what she ate. Hey guys, so it's after school on Tuesday. Let's see what Miss Maddie ate. She did not eat. Where'd you get Oreo from?
Mr. Ryan.
Okay, so she didn't eat her cheese. And she has a lot of turkey left. You want to eat that up for your snack? And then, you know what? She didn't touch her pretzel nugget. Everything else is gone. Yeah, she didn't touch these. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. So we woke up late, and so we're gonna have Uncrustable, her lemon, what is that? Lemonade, country time. She's gonna have one of these situations with the bubble. And then she like those banana, her spork, spoon, whatever. She's gonna have some, I am in the worst lighting situation. So she's gonna have some, what is this? Cheez-Its. She's gonna have some double cheese snack. One strawberry, the lighting is horrible. One strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry. So I will see you guys after school today. Jackson's still at outdoor school. He comes back today, so I will have lunch for him and Maddie tomorrow. And my dog is knocking at the door, and she's gonna have her water. I just need to fill it up. Bye guys. Okay, so it's after school on Wednesday. She didn't eat the banana and it's bruised. She didn't eat the fruit cup, and she ate her fruit, and she has a little bit of the snacks mix. I'll see you guys on Thursday, and Jackson's home. Good morning guys. Today is Thursday and Mr. Jackson's in the building. So they're gonna have a peanut butter with jelly sandwich because I woke up late. They're having sugar snap peas, and I just put some. I am not a fan of this camera. Every time I switch the hand, I cover up the microphone. But all I was saying is that they like this ranch dressing over top of their sugar snap peas. So I put it on top of it. And they like it. I just gave Maddie some ranch to dip hers in instead of spreading it. Well, I spread Jackson's all over his because I didn't want to get a separate container to put the ranch in, so it's not going to leak because this is the leak-proof one. These, they're leak-proof, but I had one that leaked on me. But she has some pretzel nugget, Capri roaring water, this fruit cup with bobas, her good bin fork, spoon, whatever. And Jackson's having a country time lemonade strawberry. This is his first time trying this flavor, so it's the reason why he has it. Maddie has been drinking them all week, and he's having the red one of the fruit situation because they don't have any fresh fruit in here. I just couldn't fit it, and I feel like this is not enough food, but it is enough food. They'll be okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys for after school for what they ate.
Okay guys, it's Thursday afternoon and Maddie didn't drink her juice, but she had water, so I guess she was hydrated. Looks like Shayla was at whatever was in there. I guess it was a peanut butter sandwich and something that was there, but she didn't eat the pretzel bites, which are like the best thing in there. And then Jackson, he ate everything, and he's still eating those. So that's it. Bye.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Today's the day that they stay with me in aftercare because I work in aftercare. And so you wanna do it?
I'm gonna do that thing.
Okay. So this is Jackson's pile. This is Madison's pile. It's a small lunch because we get out early on Fridays. In aftercare, we get out at 4 instead of 5:30. So they're having pretzel bite and apple. Go ahead.
So they're having pretzel bites and an apple, and they're having applesauce, and juice in a crushable. And Madison is having the same thing, but the Cheez-Its too. And she's having strawberry lemonade juice and a crushable. And she's having an apple and the same thing as Jackson.
Okay. So I will see you guys on Monday. We won't be doing what they ate for Friday because I don't know. It's a busy day. I have praise and worship practice. So it's just not going to work. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of lunch videos. And I will see you guys on Monday, like I stated. Bye, guys.